Our final step is to do step 4. It says work through the worksheet on the back of the statement. If the bank knows about the deposit or the withdrawal because it's on the statement and you know about it because it's in your register, you will place a check mark by it in your register. And if there's a check mark by it in the register, it does not go on the worksheet. So we need in front of us our register, our worksheet, okay? And we actually need our statement. They have this pretty straightforward for us, folks. We just need to be able to read. A, enter the ending balance on the statement. This is my statement. This is my register. They want my ending balance on my statement. We highlighted what the ending balance was. Ending balance, right here. So right here we have to write what they said is our ending balance, which is 343.38. Okay. B, list outstanding deposits and or credits to your account that do not appear on the statement. Here we are listing deposits. So money that we added into our account that the bank doesn't know about, right? So again, this is all deposits that don't have check marks by them. Did we have any in here? Remember, we had 4 deposits. 3 of them had check marks, 1 did not. So this one right here, the bank doesn't know about it. Because the bank doesn't know about it, we have to tell the bank about it on this worksheet. So I'm going to take this last one, even though it's 2-1, and that will confuse some of you. You're going to say, but this was after the month. In teaching this, I have figured out that it is easier just for you to balance with whatever information is in your register, even if it's after the month end. Just use it and put it in your register. We just want to make sure our numbers balance, and I'll show you what that means in a minute. All right, so here's my last deposit. And so I'm going to take that amount and I'm going to write it over here. So 108345. Now that was the only one. So because it's the only one, I don't have to add any others to it. I'm just going to transfer the money down. Notice this is an arrow. I will now take that amount and I will move it over to the side. Now what I have to do is, C says add A and B to calculate the subtotal. This is A, this is B. So you're going to take this plus this and that will give you C. Now my total, when I add the two together, is $1,426.83. Okay. Now moving on to D, it says list outstanding checks, withdrawals, and debits that your account. When I added this with this, my total was $1,426.83. Now I'm going to move on to D. And D says list the outstanding checks, withdrawals, and other debits to your account that do not appear on the statement. Enter the total in the column to the right. So that means, looking at my register, any debits that do not have check marks by them are going to go on the worksheet. And I have one right here, which is my Best Buy one, $237.42. So right here, I'm going to write down $237.42, and it was check 111. Okay. Now I'm going to just double check, but there's no other debits or withdrawals that do not have check marks by them. I'm going to take this amount and I'm going to bring it down here. If there were any others, I would add them up. Same thing, I'm going to use this arrow, bring it over. And now E says subtract D. And so this is D. Subtract D from C. And this is C to give me the answer here. Go ahead and do that. Okay, so I have my total, which is this number subtracted from this one. and it gives me $1,189.41. So it's saying the bank says this is what they know that I have in my account. They said, hey, but you didn't know about this deposit and you didn't know about this check. So this is what, now that you know about it, this is what the new balance would be. How do I know if I balanced? Well, this number equals the last number in my checkbook. And it does. So when the two match, you have now successfully balanced your checkbook. Good job.